Hey, what's up, everyone? Are you ready to lead your troops in Last War survival game, but the app keeps crashing right when you try to launch it? It is a huge problem, but don't worry. I've got a few solid fixes to get you past that crash and back to building your base. The first thing you can do on your mobile device is to go to your settings, then apps, and use force stop and open again to start the game. Another thing to consider is whether your game or your phone software is up to date. The developers often release updates to fix bugs, and an outdated version of the game can definitely cause crashes. So head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Last War, and make sure you have the latest version. Also, check for any pending system updates on your device. Even though the game might not be fully online yet, it still needs to communicate with the servers on startup. So go ahead and switch from your Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around and see if that helps. And if you're on Wi-Fi, a simple router restart can sometimes resolve those connection hiccups that cause a crash. Now, if you are on an Android device, a super effective fix is to clear the app's cache and data. Head into your phone settings, find apps, then Last War, and in the storage and cache section, you'll see the options to clear cache and clear data. Clearing the cache is totally safe, and if that doesn't work, clearing the data will reset the app completely, but you will need to log back into your game. Remember to have your account info ready. Finally, if you have tried everything else, a clean reinstallation might be the last resort. But a huge warning here, before you uninstall, make sure your game progress is linked to your Facebook account, Google Play Games, or Apple Game Center. If it's not, you will lose all your progress. Once your account is safe, uninstall the app, restart your device, and then download Last War again from the store.